The next step now, I'm going to get the cam buckets here, and I'm going to keep them in rotation here on the wooden board here, so don't mix them up. So just set them on the wooden board. And we strip the head for skimming. That's our next step. So, piece of wood. Keep all your cam buckets in order. Wait to come out, and next step we'll have the inlet manifold there and the injectors there, and the head completely stripped. Then we'll skim the head. That's our next step. Now our cylinder head now is stripped and ready for skimming, so everything's off. All the manifolds and brackets. Next step, now to go to the machine shop and we'll get the head skimmed. That's our next step. See there, right? That's your hunky. They're a little up.
Should have done that before I actually started. Oh well. That's a fixed by effort so far.
That's a little way going on.
What about that easy, you know?
I'm not going to juggle that. Turn it, did you? That's better open job, mate.
Okay, mate. Marks it all.
Marks are all going, that's your job, mate. That was a good jobber.
Yeah, well, now you're so.
That's the job. Now I've got to head back to the machine shop there, so Keith did the skimming job there for us and done a good job too. So it's nice and flat now and clean. And our next step in will be put on the head gasket. So we've got a new gasket as well, it's a BGA gasket. And I used them several times with the gasket. So our next step now, we'll put the gasket on the cylinder block here. So the block all cleaned down there, and we'll leave the pistons down a bit there. Just so once we put the cylinder head gasket on, we'll change the time belt as well. So we'll put a belt on as well, and I'll change the thermostat. And we're using some Loctite here on the valve cover here, and other bits and pieces there we need a bit of gasket cement on. So we'll use the Loctite 5699, it's good stuff. So next step, I'm now going to put on the manifold, the inlet manifold. It's on the floor here, and put on the injector rail as well. So once we head built again, now we'll put the head back on again, and that'll be our next step now in our Toyota Ventus cylinder head gasket repair. And then we'll leave the camshaft to last. So the camshaft off there, and everything's sitting in order, nothing mixed up. So everything's back in as it come out. And the seam here with the camshaft buckets laid in the block of wood there, and they must go back in when they come out. So next step now, gasket on now, and the head bolt. I'll put the head back on again and tighten her down. That's our next step.